that's good. I got them getting in and everything.
That's awesome. Do their whole rides.
That's the freaking coolest thing ever, huh?
You know, all the money that you spend over here on different things, I mean, you can't beat that. I mean, it's so worth it.
I'm ready to go again.
You know, like my husband, he flies a lot for work, you know, on an airplane.
But it's still nothing like this, you know?
You ever flew in a helicopter? Baby, did you see that house on that hill over there? The big
No, I was too busy filming. I wish I would have.
Yeah,
Look at them. Cool, they're going.
He tried to scare me one time. We were going around the fuel up, and he just got it up 90 degrees.
Wow. Oh, it freaked me out, him turning it a whole bunch.
Yeah.
You know?
What freaks me out, because he climbs right there, when he starts coming back down, it's
I
like
thought something was wrong.
It changes, the rotor sound changes. I'm like, okay.
Starts chopping.
Yeah, it gets real choppy.
And it seems like he slows down, but he's actually going the same speed coming down.
I'm still filming. Should I stop it?
No, film them landing. Film them getting out and seeing their faces.
It's okay if I walk over there once it hits and everything?
Just
yeah,
stand
just
behind
right
the
here?
white line.
Yeah, that's fine. We gotta take a group picture anyway.
Yeah.
Fine.
This is them coming in the
My
land.
sister didn't want to go at all.
Carissa, going, Tommy.
But you're going.
Woo.
My mom's never going.
Never even in an airplane.
My dad got
Carissa's passed out. What y'all think?
That was awesome.
Chris, what do you think?
Wait, we gotta take a picture.